In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Relevance AI to run an SEO report on websites for you. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to visit Relevance AI, where you can sign in or create a new account if you haven't already. Having an account is crucial as it will allow you to access and utilize their tools to their full potential. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new project. You'll want to click on the Create Project button, and it helps to give it a descriptive name like SEO Website Analyzer to easily identify it later on. With your project set up, navigate to the Workflows or Agents section and click New Agent. Here, we are essentially creating an AI agent capable of analyzing website SEO metrics. In the agent builder, you'll need to provide a clear prompt. You can use something like, you are an SEO assistant. When given a website URL, analyze its SEO performance, including meta tags, keywords, backlinks, site speed, and technical issues, and summarize the results. This prompt guides the AI on its task, ensuring it knows exactly what to look for. Next, you'll want to equip your agent with the ability to access website content, which can be central to conducting an SEO analysis. This is where you add a web scraping tool or an API. You have a few options here. You can use Relevance AI's own web extractor tool, or you might opt for tools like Zapier or Make, known formerly as Integromat. These platforms can help fetch website HTML or even integrate with an external SEO API such as SirPoppy, Ahrefs, or Screaming Frog API. Moving right along, you'll need to configure an input field that accepts a website URL. This setup allows users to enter specific websites they'd like to analyze. A simple input instruction could be, enter website URL to analyze. Once that's in place, you're ready to run the agent. Click the Run Agent button, and when prompted, input the URL of the target website. For example, you might enter something like https example.com. At this point, the AI gets to work processing the site data and generating a comprehensive SEO report. This report will typically include several key insights, such as the quality of title and meta descriptions, keyword density, and a summary of page speed. It'll also assess the heading structure, evaluating H1 and H2 tags, as well as checking the usage of alt text and suggest possible improvements. Finally, once your report is ready, you have the option to save or export it. You can choose from a variety of formats, including PDF or CSV, or view it in a dashboard, depending on how you've set up your system. And there you have it, a complete guide to running an SEO report using Relevance AI. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.